My favorite laundry detergent, I always get it only from this brand. It saves me so much space. I usually get different fragrances. Sometimes I get it fragrance free, and sometimes I get very fresh bamboo breathe. It really cleans my laundry very well, very fast, very deep cleans. I love that it dissolves super quickly. I usually just place one piece of it in my washing machine. That is how it looks. So I just take one and place it in my washing machine. I tried it long time ago and now I can't go back to my regular laundry detergent because this one is just amazing. I love that I don't have to measure it. I don't have to have a mess. It's just amazing and it is must have for the house. I love this brand, always the best quality products, and depends on the load size. I can use one small piece of it or like 2 or 3. It is up to 64 washes. There are 32 pieces in it.